Can you start a print-on-demand store on a budget? I get this question constantly, and here's why it's so confusing. Some people will tell you it costs thousands of dollars to start. Others will tell you it's completely free. It won't cost you a cent. So which one is it? What's the truth? Today, I'm breaking down exactly what it costs to start a print-on-demand brand. The actual tools, the real prices, no BS. I'll show you what I use, what you actually need, and where you can save money without sabotaging yourself. But here's something that's really important. At the end of this video, we're going to talk about budget in a completely different way than you probably have ever thought, because everybody obsesses over the dollar amount. But there's something even more expensive than money. And if you don't understand this, you're going to waste a lot more than cash. So let's break it all down. So what do you actually need to start? There are so many flashy tools and apps out there. I'm going to be breaking down the bare bones because you don't need most of that stuff. You can do so much with just a few subscriptions. So I'll go through exactly what I use to run my store, the bare minimum that you need to get a brand off the ground and running. And all of these tools I actually show using myself, starting a store in my free 12-hour course. So you know that I'm not BSing you and trying to get an affiliate out of you. You can actually watch me use everything that I'm about to tell you. I'll link that video to the course at the end of this so that if you want to see exactly how I use these tools, you'll have the resource right there at your fingertips. Now, 6 years ago, when I was starting out, I had to heavily invest in designers because guess what? AI didn't exist. But what cost me thousands, you can now do under $150 a month. So let me show you my toolkit. The first tool that we're going to talk about is Shopify. This is your store. This is where people buy from you. Shopify has many different plans. Unfortunately, they do not have a free plan option like a lot of the apps and tools that we're going to talk about have. Shopify's lowest plan is $29 per month. That's the cheapest plan that you're going to get. I prefer Shopify over any other website host because Shopify is built for e-commerce sellers. So it's going to have everything that you need for your business and growing it down the line, etc. That's why I stand behind Shopify, and this is a tool that I believe you need to get started. Now, to make Shopify a little bit cheaper for you to get started, I'm linking in the description below a link to buildmypod.ai. This is a Shopify theme builder that me and my team have developed. So essentially, you click the link. It's going to get you started on Shopify for $1 for the first 3 months. Now, if you leave, you don't use your Shopify, I don't get anything from it. It is completely free besides you paying the $1 for Shopify. You'll go through all the steps of Build My POD. At the end, you're going to end up with a theme that is pretty much ready for you to take sales. The last thing that you need to do is just kind of tweak it and add stuff for your brand. And I break all this down in my 12-hour course. So if you want to see exactly how to do so, you can watch the course at the end to see how to set up everything after you go through Build My POD. But I highly suggest going through Build My POD. It's going to save you a ton of time, and it's going to get you that sweet deal that Shopify has going on right now for $1 for the first 3 months. Now, the second apps and tools that I'm going to talk about are AI tools. I like to use a few of them. I like to use ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, but all for different reasons because they're all good at different things. Some are good at product descriptions, some are good at marketing copy, some are good at design ideas, some are good at generating the designs, customer service, etc. So I use all three of these in different ways. So I like to use ChatGPT for like quick hits of just asking questions. ChatGPT is also very good at answering customer service emails for me. So what I've done and what is available in my free school community is a customer service GPT. Essentially, I put in my brand's customer service documents and trained this GPT to answer customer service in a way that's always going to take care of the customer. It's going to keep people really happy and it's going to keep them coming back. So that's what I really like to use ChatGPT for. Now, Claude is a little bit different. Claude, we like to joke and say it kind of has soul. It works really well for coming up with your marketing copy. So once you're at the point where you're ready to do ads, Claude is really great for helping you draft that copy to use in your ad account. Now, beyond that, Claude is great at helping to give your brand a voice. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions about what does your brand stand for. It'll help you come up with a mission statement. It'll really help to draft and curate your brand's identity without you really having to think too hard besides answering the questions that it's going to prompt you. Finally, Gemini has been the go-to design AI for a little while now with the latest Nano Banana Pro. That's kind of what I like to use those 3 AI tools for. Now, each one has a paid version and a free version. So you can use the free version up to a certain number of like generations per day. Each one's going to cap you at a different amount. But if you want to use the first level of a paid section, it's going to be about $20 per month. I think it's like $21.20 once, you have like the tax added to it, but it's typically like $19.99. So I personally have the paid version of these, but you can definitely use the free. You're just going to get capped each day. Now, the third tool that we're going to talk about is bulk product edit. Now, this is a Shopify app that lets you edit multiple products at once. This one is a complete game changer. When I was first starting out, I had no idea that Shopify had bulk product apps out there. So I would individually go into every single product and like make my edits. And it would take me hours, like literal hours, because we would have 500 different products up there. And I'd be going into each one and editing like the color of a shirt. And Chris, walked by one day. He's like, "What are you doing?" It's like, "Oh, I'm editing like the products." He was like, "Are you going through them one by one?" And then he showed me bulk product edit. This thing is a complete game changer. It's going to save you so much time. Now, luckily, bulk product edit has a free version and then a few paid tiers after that. So the free version is going to be great for kicking things off and getting started. Once you have a lot of designs added into the mix of your store, then you're going to want to jump up to that paid level, and it starts at $9.99. That's going to take you for a long time. Up until maybe a year ago, we jumped up to the $19.99 a month plan. So the $9.99 will take you extremely far, but definitely just start off on the free plan to save some money at the beginning. But I can attest it is completely worth it once you have lots of products. The fourth tool that we're going to talk about is Canva. Canva is used for designing and cleaning up those AI design image generations. So we want to be able to remove the background. We want to be able to upscale. We want to be able to do some minor tweaks and edits. Now, the free version is pretty solid. You're just not going to have a lot of the AI tools that Canva now uses. Honestly, I use the pro version just because I use Canva for more than just kind of editing my designs. You can also use it for social media, for creating ad creative, etc. So I use the pro. Now, the fifth tool that we're going to talk about is Klaviyo. And this is email marketing. This one's critical because this is how you bring customers back to your store. This is one of the positives of running a Shopify print-on-demand brand over a marketplace like Etsy or Amazon. This is going to allow you to truly build a real business. Now, Klaviyo is free up to a certain number of contacts. It's going to take you a little while to build up that many emails, but then after that, plans start at around $45 per month. And then as you add more contacts to your list and you're sending more emails, then the price is going to naturally go up over time. We have over, I think like almost 100,000 people on our email list. And for us, it costs like $800, $900 a month, which sounds like a lot, but our list is massive. It's been growing now for the past 3 years. So you don't need to panic and go, "Oh my gosh, I'm going to be spending $800. You can start off with the free plan and essentially grow with that plan as your brand is naturally growing, which is really nice. The sixth tool that we're going to talk about is Printify, your print provider. This is where your products are essentially made and then shipped. It's completely free to connect and you only pay when someone buys from you. Now there is Printify Premium, which is going to give you better pricing on Printify products. But I'm going to let you in on a secret. You don't need to use that until you're actually making sales because you pay as you go on Printify. So I have a code that I can give you. It's WeScale. You can throw that in there and get 1 month of Printify Premium for free. But I don't want you to use that code until you're ready to run ads because then you're actually going to get that money's worth out of it. So when you're ready to start running ads, getting traffic, people buying stuff, that's when you want to use that code to get the 1 month of Printify Premium for free so you're not wasting it. And then after that, once you're making consistent sales, the $29 per month actually makes sense because you can get up to 20% off of the different Printify products. So you end up saving money on your cost of goods. So it's definitely a great thing to invest in. Like I pay $29 per month, but my cost of goods for a month with all of my sales, it's $50,000 sometimes. So I'm getting that 20% for the $29 membership fee. So for me, it absolutely makes sense. but I wouldn't start doing that until you're getting consistent sales in. Now, here's where things get interesting. Let's add all of this up. So if you went with the paid version for everything for your first 3 months, Shopify is going to be $1 if you use buildmypod.ai. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're all $20 each per month. Bulk product edit is $9.99. Canva Pro is $18. And then Klaviyo is free up until you hit, I believe it's like 1,500 contacts. And then you start paying $45. So we're not even going to include that $45. It comes out to being $88.99 per month for your first 3 months. So is that expensive? Well, it depends. Compared to what I pay at the size of my brand, it's very cheap. But if you're tight on cash, $88 may feel like a lot. And that's fine, because here's what you need to understand. You need to figure out your comfortable budget. Maybe it's $50 a month. Maybe it's $200 a month. Maybe it's $500. There's no wrong answer, but you want to come up with your budget and then reverse engineer essentially how you're going to spend it. So let's break it down. Let's say you're really tight on money. Shopify is going to cost you $1 if you use the Build My POD promo. Canva you can use for free, Klaviyo for free, bulk product editor is free. Your Printify premium, you don't need to use that, so Printify is free. You're basically just at $1 a month out of pocket. But you'd be spending more time designing, more time working around all those AI limits, more time figuring things out. That's truly the trade. Now, let's say that you have $500 a month. That's your budget that you're okay with. You could pay for all the tools and get unlimited AI. You could use Canva Pro. You could actually pay for a VA to help you upload all of your products into your store, etc. Because you're spending more money, you're able to buy back more of your time. The question shouldn't always be, can I afford this? The question also needs to be, where do I want to invest my money or time? Because, and this is the part that you really need to hear, this is something that is way more expensive than money. And if you get this wrong, you'll end up just wasting both. Now, remember, I said we talk about budget differently. Here it is. Everyone thinks about budget as money, about cash. But your budget isn't just money, it's money and time. And there's always a trade-off. Actually, I'm in this situation right now. Right now, we definitely want to expand more on Google Ads. And it's something that we don't have a ton of experience in. So the majority of our traffic comes from Facebook ads and then email marketing. But we know that we want to expand more onto Google, but we don't know a ton about Google. So we have a few options. We could spend a lot of time watching YouTube tutorials, maybe buying a course, or kind of just going through and hammering it out and trying to figure things out for ourselves. That's going to be a lot cheaper, but it's going to take a lot of my time and my team's time to figure all that out for the print-on-demand company. Now, our second option is hiring a Google agency or a Google consultant, somebody who's already an expert at Google Ads, who could come in, look at what we've done, or even set things up in a completely different way because they have the expertise when it comes to Google Ads. So it's going to save us a ton of time, but it's also going to cost us a lot more money. So there's these trade-offs that you can make. So it happens at the very beginning and it happens all the way throughout your career. So you end up having the same outcome, but there are different investments because one decision will cost money and one decision will cost time. And that's how businesses tend to work. Now, print on demand is essentially the same at the beginning. Every tool is a decision. It's a trade-off. If you want to use the free AI, it's going to cost you time because you're going to hit those thresholds. But paid AI is going to buy back that time that you'd have to wait until the next day to have more generations. Now, free Canva is going to limit some of the tools that maybe you have access to, but Canva Pro is going to save you time from needing to manually edit more things yourself from those tools. So you're constantly paying. And the question that you really truly need to ask yourself is, what kind of currency do I want to pay? Do I want to pay with my money or do I want to pay with my time? And here's what you need to understand. Both currencies are valid. If you have more time than money right now, then use those free tools. It may take you longer hours to go through and learn everything and set things up, but if you have more money than time right now, you can invest it. You can buy back your time. You can move a lot faster. Both paths work, but you have to pick one, and you can't pay nothing and spend no time. There's always going to be some sort of cost. So here's the truth. The tools exist and they're cheaper than ever. 6 years ago, I was spending thousands of dollars a month just so that I could get my designs uploaded to my store. Today, you can start extremely lean, $88.99 per month. And that's if you're using all the paid stuff that I talked about. So the thing that you need to figure out is your budget of both money and time, because you can pick your tools, you can pick your investment, and then you just need to commit to getting it done. So if you want to save setup time and grab that Build My POD theme and grab that great Shopify offer, it's free. Just click the link in the description below. All you'll have to do is pay the $1 Shopify fee for the first 3 months. If you're interested in joining our free school community where there's over 25,000 people all going through the resources in our 12-hour course, that's linked in the description as well. If you want to watch me build a store using all these tools step-by-step that I just talked about, that's in our free course. That's going to be the next video that plays after this. So continue watching if you want that. If this helped, please hit the like and subscribe button. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.